Hello, Mesita Mustangs. This is your librarian, Mrs. Gailey, and I'm so pleased to be working with you and your teacher to help you learn about the Big 6 research process. I will explain everything that you're going to need to know during this introduction presentation. So this is on the Big 6 research process. I'm going to explain the lesson objective and the learning standards for this lesson and your activity. Our first one is the ISTE, where you're going to learn to locate, organize, analyze, evaluate, synthesize, and ethically use information from a variety of sources and media. Our Common Core standard is to introduce a topic clearly, previewing what is to follow, organize ideas, concepts, and information into broader categories as appropriate to achieve purpose, including formatting, graphics, tables, charts, and multimedia when useful to aiding in comprehension. Our TEACS standard is draft, edit, and publish products in different media individually and collaboratively. Our AASL standard is you're going to demonstrate mastery of technology tools for accessing information and pursuing inquiry. At the end of your learning, you will be creating an infographic using either Pictograph or Canva on the process of the Big 6 to assist you with your classroom project or for future information literacy. What is the Big 6 and why is it important for you to learn this? It's important because you're going to become successful as a researcher and be able to locate information for your projects in a systematic and efficient way that will be beneficial for you throughout your entire life. The Big 6 process. As your librarian, it is my job to make sure that you learn about how to properly conduct research for your classroom project. A little bit about the Big 6 is, number one, you're going to define your task. In this first step, you're going to define your information, identify information needed to solve the problem. In the second step, which is information seeking strategies, you're going to determine all possible information sources and then select the best of those sources. Your third strategy is locate and access. You're going to locate sources, find information within sources. Your fourth one is you're going to begin to use this information. You're going to engage, read, hear, view, touch, all the different forms of media on the internet, books, periodicals. Then you're going to extract, take out relevant information from this. Fifth step is you're going to synthesize. You're going to organize all the different multiple sources and present the information. Lastly, you're going to evaluate. In the evaluation step, you're going to judge your product and judge the process. And you're going to look at, did I complete each of the Big 6 strategies efficiently? Before you start, you're going to be taking a pre-assessment online. And each student in your class will take a short pre-assessment to determine how much you already know about how to do research and the importance of good research. This assessment will later be given to you to see how much you have learned about the Big 6 and the importance of research for your project. You're going to be tasked to create an infographic for your lesson with me, either using canva.com or pictochart.com on the Big 6 process. Your online lesson, you're going to learn from the online lesson for a 5-star rating on your project. There's also going to be a handout that will be helpful for you in your lesson too. Future. This information will help you when you visit the library next week, as well as in the future projects and assignments. I look forward in seeing you soon. And of course, if you ever have any questions, I'm available before school as well as after school. Don't hesitate in coming and visiting the library. Lastly, here's a list of references that I use to help you with this project. Thank you very much, and I look forward to working with you all.